Bynta kasngi ka Riboy Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Nongpoh kala Pynlong ye ka Investiture ceremony ye ki guides unit jong kate ka Skul. Bynta kasngi nyo turik jeliu hajar pulai haplau jong kane ka Skul. Hakani kasngi lawan mendon ringkat da ka kong paidelin el nonglaj di SEO Riboy District kum ka kongsan uba dhar SEO Riboy District kong di nongneng District Secretary BSG ba W Radu Principal Miss I Kongjo Guide Captain Mrs LM Running ex Guide Captain Reverend DR Shooting Secretary MC RBP kinong hikai ki kena Skul bat ki kmi kikpa. Haba ai jingkren nakaliang ka kong paidelin el nonglaj di SEO Riboy District kala ong bahaba ngile ya kino ngide banda trei shitom kum shiying shisam bat lingba ka jing ya trei lang ka jing trei hok ka yarap shibun ya phi ba Pynlong shisin kasingi kum kinong ya lamba pau shu kala ong ru kum ki Scouts and Guide phim de bandri yala de namar ka ne ka kenhun ka hikai ba phin mi shakmat ban ai ki jing shakri na ka Bynta ka imlang salam
kat kendai spa kendai puwei da ka jing don tak tumba au puwei ngut kikna news nam au kat kendai spa kendai puwei da ka jing don jong ki au puwei kna layat ka jing yai lenti na do kata ngadai gai kapten hange hapo RVP hadu snam hajar kat kendai ya ka bangam la shu ban train namar kejing bam biang kejing koi tingkia jongahi te ka wei ka bang kwa ban yathu epi isnong sarong hadu kata rapta banam ni na Skul jongis kila don lai pu arngut ki guides ki balayo ya President Award hajarbi but ni pun ki guides irang yo ya Governor Award. Naprendong kita, when we scout, we shall right. They don't when scout, urang yo ya President Award. Nimpa don Scout Master, iba yung praise top na kung daw scout. Then, kajip kublay kalong ya kikmigik pa, ya kinohikay baro, kibala ya kirsyam, kaman, kakti katiyang, nadu usnyam arja katkinday, hadu unya usnyam. Then, Haprem kini kisnam, padon kajing bamla shu kajonga. Habok sim, duty to God, duty to country, help other people, karhem. Hendrai, nasmok men hadu kata bong newsnam. Habai nes jongi nes kongjo, lawan man training. Nadi ong ngan plino eke unit, ong tua, ngan kersyan ya pina dien, compare. Bangilala ban kencok atau dan negasi ngai kublai kini pa bangila yo ban renew biang ya Scout and Guide for Skul jogi ini ki member ki jongaro ki keluar ha ban yara daya ban ngahi na ngayo experience dalati ya kani ka Scout and Guide nadai ka priu ka baleran be nadai ka priu ka basyong me shikandong nadai ka priu ka baduna haki baro Henry nga snola da nga join ni kani ka Scout and Guide. Kaway kajing nagtoy ka ba yo kalong nga yo mensim. Ngamlong shu ka ba shepting. Ngamlong shu ka ba du mensim. Naman kidon ki bunjat ki talam ki ba pher pila ban panik na.
By the founder of this organization, Lord Baden Powell in 1907. It is really a very, very wide field. Just like Madam Rani had mentioned, that she never able to talk, she never always used to hide in the corner, maybe in the classroom or anywhere, but by joining to this organization, she is open everything. So you also, dear student, you can now, joining this organization of Scout and Guide, it is you open the door. It will open your door. You can disclose the hidden potential. Whatever potential you have now by joining this, it will be open. The door will be open for you. Because through your counting, so many programs I know. This will help you to open your potential which is still hidden in your side. Then, regarding the principle of the Bharat Scout and Guide, they have very important principles. These principles, they are the duty to God, duty to others, duty to self, duty to promise of the law and learning by doing. So many duties, so many principles they have to follow. But let me mention a little bit here regarding these principles. Let me just cite only one. That is duty to self. So unless you do your duty, you develop yourself, you learn yourself, you cannot do any duty to others. First, it should be within. I cannot give any love or respect to others if I myself don't have love and respect myself. My stock of love and respect is empty, so how can I give to others? So first of all, we should have love and respect myself. Love and respect yourself. Because at this generation, especially what we have seen, majority of the youths, they didn't love themselves. They don't respect themselves. They involve in so many unhappy things. Involved in so many things which are in their future. And they do not respect themselves.
Kibangila penbet, bakitu kibran ke Scout Guides, kendan kasngi, kabakini ki kapten joki kin penbet bakin pong, kala amalong kanau na kasngi, sisen bani asin ha kasitiyo. Pala dadan kanau na program, kabangin gidan Skul ne shaparu, kinegre ki kena, kibangisi makmat na kabanta, banlong kung ki volunteer, wat ki sarkaru isetpan, yakini banlong ki volunteer. Afirmem bahwa apabila syah ikut di jongpi, yang ailah roi ki boundary tanah Skul, kile di camping, kile program repair, hapok ke district, kastir ni ke national level ro. Dalam baju kene rapor, nasi penpau ke jingkenan, bagi don kinohikai ke wala tulai dan volunteer ini ke kam. Bad omde tang kine ke Skul di program ini simtilang. Bad nadu iklik nong sisa Skul ngilawanong komite siro. Bana kapor, iay di situ lang na kapag Skul ke jongi bagi jitit jumbiang jongi ki kena. Na lor jong ke jing pule kapag pila pule. Pihapan tres itong ni ke jing pule kunjuru ban siri kiwi ki Bynta na kabanta ke jing mentoy ke jongi bajong kami bekerja tenteu. Kublai simut.
Next vacancy in the Skul, we will be getting a Scout teacher. And I want to know, any of the teacher or anybody in the Skul from the male teachers who are already a Scout before, why won't you join? Why won't you take a step forward to guide your students to become the Scout and the better citizens in the future? So, ladadon kino hikay. Ibala judon mencuat ke Scout. Balai piburi ialah dia. Balai piri sa kendong. Apa kani ka association, kani ka family ke hikay, bakin mi kamat. Dan ay yang jing chakri na kabanta yung kinikikina. Compare lada pidan na kano ka section. Kalaban day haka secondary, kalaban day higher secondary. Remember, a school is a family from top to the bottom. What po ialah dia? Sabar yung school. Nomor Pynlong sabar sa Sidunong. Pinam yorong. Haba pipmi sa kamat. Lada don yung kita ako school yung pi. Lada undan. Next time, yan na tamaw ha. For interview. Yan da screen ba? Yan yo ako mimes iba tenat pongjo. So thank you for the prayer. Karibuhay, kawan kerdan kebaan, kamla kawas jantia hindian, banda sakliat like your best nari boy. So I do request all the students, the talented students, the athletes, to work harder in the next year, 2024. I declare, if you work harder, Riboy will get the best. Compare le dengan let notch, koi ke district, dang mga bless, ya kan ni Riboy on your best. So work harder, and again, you get one more award next year. Riboy, to work harder, whether in athletes or to take a chance to join the Bharat Scout and Guides from this year, next year, and the year to come.